Hello, Mumuland friends. Today we're going on a magical trip. Are you ready? One day, Sharky, Foxy, Max and Leo received a shiny letter. The letter said, "Can you come to Lapland today? What do you say, friends? Shall we go?"
Suddenly a flying sleigh arrived. Ding, ding, ding went the little bells.
Are you getting on with us?
The sleigh went up into the sky. The wind went whoosh. The snow was sparkling.
So cold! Are you cold too?
They arrived at Santa's house.
Big, red, warm. Wow! Did you imagine his house like this?
Inside was the Elves' workshop.
Lots of toys,
Lots of boxes.
lots of lights.
The elves said they needed help.
Some letters had gone missing. Kids, can you help us find them? A letter covered in snow appeared. It's full of snow, so much. Let's blow together to clean it. But be careful. Don't blow too hard or the snow will fly everywhere. Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3, blow!
Oh no, you blew too hard. The snow flew everywhere. And suddenly, plop, an elf popped out from inside the letter. His face was covered in snowflakes.
Oh dear, said the elf.
I was sleeping in there.
And now I have snow, even in my ears.
Achoo! 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 So funny. Did you see that? The red doors opened and there was Santa Claus. Ho, 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 welcome, friends. Santa looked at the children with a big smile. How are you? He took out his big book. Here I keep all the wonderful things you do. Then he opened a chest. I have a special gift, but it only opens if you say, "Magic Christmas." Can you say it with me?
The chest opened, bright light. A magical star appeared, and next to the star, there was a small golden message. The message said,
Christmas is a light that lives inside you. Every time you are kind to yourself and to others, that light grows bigger and brighter. Santa smiled. This message is for all of you. So you remember that the magic begins inside you.
the sleigh returned to Mumuland.
Little bells again.
Ding, ding, ding.
Thank you for coming with us. Friends, subscribe to Mumuland Kids for more adventures. Goodbye. Ho, ho, ho.